have a little issue. Like, this is hitting right here, I think. So it's not closing the trunk all the way. I think when they put this back on the car, they didn't screw this down. So I was trying to figure out the entire time why my trunk was not closing all the way. I got to slam it. But I think I figured it out. So I'm going to work on this. All right, so it's an easy little fix. It's been bothering me for months. But what happened is that's hitting right there. So when they reinstalled my trunk thing for when they wrapped my car, they reinstalled this. This was on backwards. I don't know if they even took that off. So I can't even blame them for that. However, I found this to be installed backwards. So quick little test run. Let's see. Normally I should just drop it in the close. Boom, there you go. So that's all that had to happen. That had to be moved down. So it looked like I'm G to G. Go ahead and pop this, and then that's a wrap. I'll go ahead and put this interior back together. If you don't know how to take this interior off, 2 bolts down here in this little part, 2 bolts, and then it's 2 pop out. Then all you do is just pick up. All right, so I think I found the problem, right? Let me tell you what I think the problem is. So I thought it was this, which it might be a mixture of both, but it's this rubber right here not sitting like behind this. So I got to find a way to tuck it in. And I'm probably going to use a flat tip and do that. So that is pushing this rubber up, and it's causing the trunk not to close all the way. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the exact problem. This little lip right here, there's a little lip right there. It was sitting on top of this. It was sitting. So there's a little lip back here, and it needs to be tucked in. I don't know how it was installed, because if I put this rubber on, try to install this, it doesn't get all the way back there. So what I did was I installed this, put the rubber on, and then use a flathead and just kind of like use the seam and just like guide it in there, right? But if the rubber's on and you try to put this on, it's not gonna go on there. But I got it right now. We 100%. Look at that. That's what needs to happen. And it did, and it fits neat. So I'm glad that sorted, because it was something that was bugging me, but we're good to go on that. So now I'm just gonna put the bolts back in there. There's some bolt hole right there and right back here. And then put these clips in, and we're good. Right now, everything's solid. It's closing smooth. Oh, bullshit. It's closing smooth. Normally I could just drop it from here. Look, there you go. You don't have to slam it super hard. Yeah, good to go. The car's dirty. I'm gonna clean it off if I go to a car show in the morning. Go charge my camera, charge my mics. And I bought a new tripod. Found one of my little OG stickers on back of the and underneath that. We'll go ahead and take these out. Yeah, that's one of my little OG stickers for Instagram.